Now I am going to start new topic relations. See here ordered pair. An ordered pair consists of two objects or elements in a given fixed order. Suppose here let A and B be two seats. A and B be two seats. A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Then AB is called the ordered pair. Called the ordered pair. AB is called the ordered pair. So it means, see here, this is represent the x coordinates and this one represent the y coordinate. For example, so see here 0, 1, 2, here 1, 2. Suppose here this is the point, here 1, 1. So here this is the ordered pair 1, 1. Suppose here 2, 1. This is 2, 1 ordered pair. Here 2, 2. This is called the ordered pair. So first coordinate represents the x-axis and second coordinate it represents the y-axis. So see here the ordered pair. Equality of ordered pair. Equality of ordered pair. Equality of ordered pair. Suppose let A1 B1 belongs to A, A2 B2 belongs to B. Then if corresponding element A1 equal to A2 and B1 equal to B2, then we can say that these ordered pairs are equal. Now I am going to discuss the Cartesian products. Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. Product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. Be any two non-empty sets. Non-empty sets. The set of all ordered pairs AB such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of the set A and B and is denoted by A cross B. Thus A cross B is equal to AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. If A is equal to 5 or B equal to 5, then we define A cross B is equal to 5. So A and B be any two non-empty set. It should be a here two non-empty set. The set of all ordered pair AB such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of the sets, and A and B is denoted by A cross B. A cross B is equal to here in curly bracket AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. If A equal to 5 null set and B also a null set, then we define A cross B is equal to 5. For example, so see here, if A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to A, B, then A cross B is equal to, so see here, A cross B equal to 1, 2, 3 into A, B. We are finding A cross B. So see here, how we are going to write the ordered pair. 1 comma A, 1 comma B here, 1B, then 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. This is your A cross B. First elements of set A and second elements of set B. Means x coordinates of A and y coordinates of B. This is called A cross B. If I will write here B cross A, B cross A is equal to, first we write here AB and then after 1, 2, 3. Now first here B, AB and A is 1, 2, 3. Now we have to write here A, comma 1, A, comma 2 and A, comma 3. Now B1, B2 and B3. So this is A cross B, this is A cross B and this is B cross A. So A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Suppose if you want to find out A cross A, A cross A, then will be here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 here. So here will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Then after 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. So see here how many elements are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements. If set A containing 3 and set B also 3, then 3 into 3, it should be 9 elements. See here, set B contains 2 elements and set A contains 3 elements. So 2 into 3, 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the set contains A m element and set B n elements, then A cross B will become m into n elements. Now, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B is AB, and C is XY. Then you have to, suppose you have to find out A cross B cross C. So see here, first you have to write A cross B, then after C. So A, first you have to find out A cross B. So set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is AB. So this one becomes 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and here into C, XY. Now 1A multiply x. So 1AX, you have to write like this, 1AX, 1AY. Now this one finished. Now 1BX, 1BX, 1BY. Similarly here 2AX, 2AY, 2AY, 2BX, 2BY, 3AX, 3AX, 3AY. Similarly 3BX, 3BY. Right here 3BX, 3BY. So see here, how many elements here? 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So m into n into p. You can write here A cross B cross C. Similarly, you can write A cross B cross C cross D also. If 4 sets, then you can write A cross B cross C into D.